Hi, this is Hadas from Canva and welcome to my channel. This time I would like to show you some creative ways that you can use the magic eraser and the magic edit within Canva. Let's go. So let's say I have this photo and I'd like to change the model's hair. Maybe I'd like her to have curly hair, or maybe different colors, different types of hair. Let's go ahead and see how we do that. I'm just going to click on Edit Photo and I'm going to go straight ahead to Magic Edit. Now I'm going to brush over the image. As you can see, I'm not very precise. You don't have to be super precise. It can go over the sweater or her face. And then let's just click on Continue. Now let's say I'd like to see her with curly hair. Click on Generate and let's hope for the best. We're going to get 4 results and we're going to pick the one that we love. Oh wow, look at that. That was super quick, and look at those curls. Oh, wow. Now I want to go ahead and give it another go. Let's try pink punk hair. Cool. Look at that. Oh my God, which one do I like best? I'm going to go with this one. Okay, now let's say I want to change her sweater. So I'm just going to pick the original photo again, go to Edit Photo, and this time I'm going to brush over the sweater. And I'm going to ask for a red t-shirt. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to get a red t-shirt, but let's see what Canva's going to give us. Click on Generate, and there's the red t-shirt. Wow. Okay, the hand is kind of okay, not perfect, but look at that. I have different sweaters, although I didn't ask for them, but they look absolutely natural. And I have this white t-shirt, which looks excellent. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So we got the curly model. We got the white t-shirt and the pink-haired punkish model. Love it. Now I want to give you a different example. Let's say I have this really futuristic startup that I can develop fruits and vegetables that will grow together from the same stem. Okay, just flow with me here. So although it might be very complicated to do it in real life, with Canva, it's super easy. So I'm just going to search for some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to head over to Photos and search for a tomato. I'm going to filter this to cutouts only. And let's look for something with a stem. Okay, I like this one. I'm going to take this one. Just going to flip it. And now let's say I would like to change one of the tomatoes into a strawberry. Let's go to Edit Photo, click on Magic Edit, brush over one of the cherry tomatoes. Let's say this one. And I will just replace it with a strawberry. A strawberry. Click on Generate. And there it is. Look at that. It's even a strawberry shaped as a cherry tomato. So Canva actually took this to the next level. Thank you, Canva. Let's say now I want to add a different type of fruit or vegetable. I'm going to search for, let's generate a small radish. Makes sense, size-wise. Okay, not all results are perfect, but here's one that I can go with. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Well, nothing here makes sense, but let's say it does. Okay, now another example. Let's say I have this team photo, and instead of blurring someone's face, I can just make them go away. So let's say that this lady on the left does not need to be in this photo. So all I'm going to do is, in this case, I'm going to go to the magic eraser because I'm not going to replace her. I'm just going to erase her. Now, do notice this is a Pro feature. So if you do not have Canva Pro, I'm happy to give you 45 days for free to try out Canva Pro. No strings attached. Just scan this QR code. So click on Magic Eraser, set the brush size, and just brush over the lovely lady. and she's gone. Well, I do have to make some corrections. Okay, you can still see that it's not 100% perfect, but I can work with this. I can detach this, I can crop this, and just use it like this. I think that's a wonderful solution. Now, one other example. Let's go and search for a clutter photo. Now, I've been telling my daughters for ages, make sure that when you take photos, you don't have things you don't want to be seen in the background. But who listens to mom, right? So I can just go to Magic Eraser and erase some of the clutter. So again, sometimes it'll be perfect, sometimes less, but look at that. I just drew over the dress that was on the floor, and look, I can still see the reflection of the other dress. So Canva was able to fix that. So I'm going to erase the reflection in the mirror as well. And I'm going to go with this green dress on the floor. Now you can see that the leg is in front of the dress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and erase it and just move the brush over her leg. Let's see what happens. Oh my God. The dress is gone. The leg is there. And still the reflection of the furniture and the dresses are all there. Okay, just a few minor corrections, but hey, this room looks a lot neater than it was before, don't you think? So I'd love to see what you do with the Magic Eraser and the Magic Edit, so you can share this with me in the comments below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.